My old life had its home on the highway. Highways I started to mold like clay. The roads, the traffic, and the trails formed and wrote themselves all over my brain. The ink is washed up now, though, and is being replaced with letters telling me about train tracks. Train tracks bringing me back to a life not hard to leave behind. One that holds a lot of hands and broken loved a lot of hearts. I still revisit sometimes, like a drop I'm being put into a glass that is full without me. Going back and forth, being pulled apart between south and north. Seats that fill and empty over and over again, not once meeting a friend. Gas money turned into money for tickets, and a full car into one body on a journey all alone. I catch myself saying, I'm going home, when in reality, I time travel into the past and see eyes that I know and don't know, eyes that I love but don't spend my present with. And I'm not going home. It seems I leave behind a leg every time I go, and I jump or crawl and stumble through the days and nights I spend unbalanced in this life. And I disintegrate when I leave. My skin dries up and turns into sand to fill an hourglass that will run until I'm home again, under the hot midday desert sun.